Club Junta, building better Africa.
Chimeza inyobo zimwina mwaketa mbila nkhani mbini apangitsa tini ndiyankho zimene zijazo njani. Chifukwa kudandala za mailiya za kwathu. Mailiya za kwathu kulibeko. Ndili muna ngati bwanji tikambeza mailiya za kwathu.
Ambewu, ngani siya mailiya. Imeyo njine mozi wa maaspanat.
Yes.
Ngani hiyo mwamu anashida mwana mbila director akusiyo isichama. Ndabu yanshidi kumbashi. Then mwamu yanshidi kumena yanshidi. Then now it's when you can bring up issue. I'm not directly attacking me. You're attacking me.
I didn't even mention your name. I didn't mention your name.
It's Monica. You know how many times I've been buying phones from Ayamba? A smartphone. Because they got a smartphone.
So how is it like you created a forum?
Let me talk before you speak. You don't speak.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
If you want to bring issues, you go direct and go and $0. I don't want to go to bed you have been England. That's it. I'm going to come out of the primary are you sure?
If you could don't listen to madam.
Why should you attack me?
Before you mention Jamina Mina, Janaka Nori to Renga, it is Nasaini. Come if I Busi, what you find in Monanga Limina, Zajunga, Mufan, could have one out under Zoni, and a bunch of Sabutana Voter, Jajikandijani, Munaga go shape a bola, Gomasina and go
attacking me.
I'm not even attacking you, but what I was explaining is what I've observed from my areas. Me I'm crying kaidi kudanda ula chifanya zineza chitika ndeni umsaniteke paka mwaya chifanya niyo kumbali yanu cha nyumbu kuja nyumbu chicho sitateka chifabwe sitapanga ndale za bwino chipange ndale zokondana sipange ndale zoponderezana ya chifanya so kwake kozanga ndi kwatu
if you want no usandika lipide
nanuso msandika lipide yeso yayi tenti lankhulane bwino bwino tenti lankhulane bwino fweni yonga ndimukalipa neso ndikalipa koma ngati mutati basole meso ndibasa ngulema
if you have issues, why don't you bring it to the table? One family, I would see what is it was this bank so that was motive. We are putting it there. The way what's the
problem we don't know what to mandisira anthu akwathu ndi problem. Izozo ndizina tenti kambenezi kuti metu kambana pana.
Don't mention my name, my dear. Don't.
Ndiye muri thandiza bwa.
That's very bad.
So how are you going to assist us?
No, it's not me. It's not me assisting you. There are people there that can assist you, not me. How can I assist you? Let the leaders assist you, not me.
The time those names were selected, he was in power guide by then.
No. Even so, where were you then?
Did you give me time, even a space, maybe to talk or maybe to? Okay, you as a sitting MP, why didn't you invite us? The time he was organizing those names, why didn't you invite us, your fellow aspirants, to sit down and look into that document?
You ask the chairman of the constituency. Don't attack me. If you want to do that, just go back around the credentials. That's it.
Okay.
Don't attack me.
Okay.
That kind of constituency, 16 years. It's not a joke. Yes. Yeah. Don't attack me.
Nchifokera kufa rwanda nishiro. Nchifokera kufa rwanda nishiro chifori makhala kwambiri. Then kuti nchifokera kufa rwanda nishiro chifori niyo makhala kwambiri, nchifokera kufa rwanda nishiro chifori makhala kwambiri. Kumlozi mwe mapangazo sizabwino. Mwanagwisa kwambiri, mwavu madam, mwanagwisa kwambiri. Yeah, let's talk about our constituency. Let's talk about our constituency. Let us not waste time by talking about other constituencies. Let's talk about our constituencies.
No, I'm just giving an example. What is their forums? When I'm about to discuss my issues in Katawawa. Don't bring issues about bank attack.
Madam, I didn't even attack you. Me, I was just expressing my mind.
Ayamba is my chair.
But he's not there. Why is it like he's not there? But he's not there.
No. That's it. I don't know that.
And it's not even my business.
Stupid.
Oh, stupid me. If I'm stupid, you're also stupid. Yes, I'm telling you. If I'm stupid, you're also stupid. Yes, I'm telling you. Respect yourself. Ngati mufuna ulemu, mulankhule maulemu. Koma ngati munga ine simunga ndiopyeze tu. Mai, ine nagwira ntchito yochosa DPP mboma, mwamveseti. Ndenu simunga nivute niwe mwamvamani. Ndukuzani. Ine ndikatundu tu ine nachosa DPP mboma, ndeni yo simunga ndiopyeze mai ndufa ndikuze.
Ineso simunga opyeze.
Ndeti ni background. And in Manimbila for you are very stupid. I'm very stupid.
No.
And Kufusani. Would you munga imbe phone command I'm very stupid. Madam, can you please withdraw that word? Can you please withdraw that? Okay, if I'm stupid, you are also stupid.
Tatsani malonda anu pa machanelo awa. Makosana with 100 plus subscribers. BS Malawi with 100 plus subscribers. Hot 265 with 90,000 plus subscribers. Sam Mavita with 100 plus subscribers. AMTV Malawi with 50k plus subscribers. Malawi Trends TV with 50k plus subscribers. Dreams Media with 20k plus subscribers. Mpongwe with 80k plus subscribers. Crab Junta with 40k subscribers. Komanso Umata Daily with 10k plus subscribers. Ndipo mutakulebeza kudzera pa Malawian YouTubers Association Maya. Utenga wanu udzafikira anthu oposaposa 500,000 pa tsiku. Tilumikizeni kudzera pa email iyi officialmaya265@gmail.com. Tatsani malonda anu pa machanelo awa. Makosana with 100 plus subscribers. BS Malawi with 100 plus subscribers. Hot 265 with 90,000 plus subscribers. Sam Mavita with 100 plus subscribers. AMTV Malawi with 50k plus subscribers. Malawi Trends TV with 50k plus subscribers. Dreams Media with 20k plus subscribers. Mpongwe with 80k plus subscribers. Crab Junta with 40k subscribers. Komanso Umata Daily with 10k plus subscribers. Ndipo mutakulebeza kudzera pa Malawian YouTubers Association Maya. Utenga wanu udzafikira anthu oposaposa 500,000 pa tsiku. Tilumikizeni kudzera pa email iyi officialmaya265@gmail.com.